Today, let's learn how to actually log out or sign out of your Apple ID on iPhone without your password in 2022. So how do you actually do this? Well, normally you need to log in using obviously your password in order for you to log out of your Apple ID on your iOS device. So just watch this video until the end. I'm going to teach you just how to do so without logging in your password. Okay, so first of all, let's head onto the settings right here and then click onto, of course, your Apple ID right there. And over here on the bottom corner, just click on Sign Out. Now, normally, once you click on Sign Out, you would need to input your password. But of course, that is a common misconception for you guys that you need to do because actually you don't need your password in order to sign out. All you need to do is just click on Sign Out. And right here on the top right corner, it's going to give you the option to finally sign out of your device. Now, since I do not want to sign up to my device right now, I won't click it. But for those who do, just click on the Sign Out so that you may successfully sign out of your devices and the most easy way in 2022 because you don't actually need your password to do so. It's pretty easy and all you need to do is to follow this tutorial and of course coming up below for the work, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this is